introduce ourselves.
My name is Ana Fitriana.
My name is Halimatu. We are from class 12. We want to tell you how to make Oreo Tugas. Let's make it! The ingredients:
Oreo
2 sachets of milk,
and 1 bag of chocolates.
First, crush the Oreo until smooth. Then, put the Oreos in a bowl.
Second, add milk. Then stir until evenly mixed.
And then, wrap it in plastic wrap. And put it in the freezer for 20 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Next, take it out of the freezer.
Then sprinkle with chocolates. And cut into small cubes.
Finally, the Oreo truffles are ready.